Top 10 temples to visit in Tirupati. Tirumala Venkateswara Swami. Tirumala is the abode of Lord Venkateswara located on Sheshachalam Hills, also called as Seven Hills. Vishnu was considered to reside here with his full power, as in Vaikuntha. And thus the place was also called Bhuloka Vaikuntha. Padmavati Amavari Temple. Sri Padmavati Amavari Temple, also known as Alamelumangapuram, is located in the town of Tiruchenur, near the city of Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. It is dedicated to goddess Padmavati, who is believed to be the consort of Lord Venkateswara, the presiding deity of the famous Tirupati temple. The Sri Padmavati Amavari temple is one of the most important and revered temples in South India and attracts thousands of devotees and tourists every year. Kapila Tirtham. Kapila Tirtham is a small Shaiva temple and Tirtham, located at Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh, India. According to temple legend, Kapila Muni had performed penance to Shiva at this place and blissed with the Muni's devotion, Shiva and Parvati presented themselves. The lingam is believed to be self-manifested. Kapila Muni is believed to emerged from the bilim, cavity, in the Pushkarini, Tirtham, onto the earth. Govindaraja Swami. The temple is dedicated to the god Vishnu, who is referred to as Govindaraja Swami. The deity is in reclining yoga nidra posture, facing east, with his right hand under his head and left hand straight over his body. Vishnu's consorts Sridevi and Bhudevi are seated at his feet. In some texts, Govindaraja is mentioned as the elder brother of Venkateshwara, a form of Vishnu whose chief temple is in Tirupati. Kodandarama Swami. According to Varaha Purana, during Treta Yuga, Lord Sri Rama resided here along with Sita Devi and Lakshmana on his return from Lankapuri. Kalyana Venkateshwara Swami. Kalyana Venkateswara temple is considered sacred by Hindus, next to Tirumala temple. Those who are unable to make it to Tirumala can have darshan of Kalyana Venkateswara to fulfill their wish. As the name indicates, this temple carries significance for newlywed couples. Newlyweds offer prayers first in this temple, as this is the place where Venkateswara with his consort Padmavati stayed for the first 6 months of their marriage. Gudimallam Parashuramaswamy Temple. The Shiva Linga in this temple is supposed to be the earliest linga discovered so far. This is one of the 5 ancient Shiva temples on the bank of Swarnamukhi River. Swami. Vikulamatha Temple. Vikula Devi is the foster mother of Lord Venkateswara. The temple in her name was built about 300 years ago on Perurubanda Hillik, around the scenic Peruru, in Tirupati and located within 10 kilometers of Tirumala Hills. As per the wishes of Vikula Mata, mother, this temple was constructed in such a way that visage of Mata faces the 7 hills, where her son Lord Venkateswara resides. Prasanna Venkateshwara Swami Temple. This temple is at a distance of 16 kilometers from Tirupati. The right hand, Asta, of presiding deity will be in Prasanna, Abhay blessing, posture instead of usual Varada posture in other Venkateswara temples, and hence the temple got the name Prasanna Venkateswara Temple. Kalyana Venkateshwara Narayanvanam. Sri Kalyana Venkateshwara Swami Temple is a Hindu Vaishnavite temple situated at Narayanvanam, a town in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh state, India. The temple is dedicated to Lord Kalyana Venkateswara, an incarnation of Vishnu. It is believed that Lord Venkateswara married Padmavati at this place and then moved to Tirumala.